Sunlight pierces the dense canopy, painting the Amazon in vibrant greens. Luma, a parrot of fiery plumage, sings a melody from the heights. Drawn by her song, Kai arrives, their voices merging in harmonious unity. High in the sturdy tree, Luma and Kai lovingly tend to their nest, a sanctuary of twigs, leaves, and delicate petals. 3 tiny eggs nestle beneath Luma's warm feathers, promising new life and deepening their bond. Luma and Kai exchange affectionate glances, their eyes reflecting the anticipation and love that fills their hearts. In the heart of the Amazon, Rani, Sol, and Tico, vibrant fledglings, perch at the edge of their world, their eyes wide with wonder. Sol, brimming with courage, leaps into the unknown, his wings beating with youthful vigor. Luma and Kai, their hearts swelling with pride, watch over their young, guiding them through the symphony of the rainforest.